stop. Don't get out of bed just yet. If those first steps in the morning feel like bone-on-bone pain, it is not just your age. It is because the muscles around your knees are not fully awake yet to help protect and support your knee joints. Today, I am going to show you 3 gentle, specialist-approved exercises that you can do right under your covers. These simple movements act like natural shock absorbers for your knee joints, so by the time your feet touch the floor, your knees are better prepared to support you, and your first steps can feel much more comfortable. Stay with me until the 3rd exercise because it is one of the most important movements in this routine for helping your knees feel steadier before you stand up. The entire routine takes only about 5 minutes, requires no equipment, and is gentle enough for most older adults to do before getting out of bed. Before we begin, leave a comment with "Good morning," then tell me your age and where you are watching from. I always enjoy seeing our Senior BeWell family grow, and your comments help encourage others who are starting this journey with you. Now get comfortable, and let's wake up those knees together. Our first exercise is called the quad set. This simple movement helps wake up the large muscles on the front of your thigh before your knees have to support your body weight. Lie comfortably on your back with both legs stretched out in front of you. Let your body relax into the mattress. Keep one leg straight and relaxed while you focus on the other leg. Now gently press the back of your knee down into the mattress. As you do that, tighten the muscles on the front of your thigh. Imagine you are trying to flatten the space behind your knee without lifting your heel off the bed. You should feel the muscles along the front of your thigh become firm as they contract. Hold that gentle squeeze for 5 seconds. Keep breathing normally while you hold the contraction. Then slowly relax the muscles and let your leg rest completely before repeating the movement. Continue for 10 repetitions on this leg, moving slowly and staying in control throughout each repetition. Once you finish, switch to the other leg and repeat the same sequence for another 10 repetitions. As you perform this exercise, keep the movement gentle. There is no need to push hard or force the contraction. Focus on quality instead of effort. Keep your heel resting on the mattress the entire time. Breathe naturally and allow the muscles to wake up 1 repetition at a time before moving on to the next exercise. Our second exercise is called the heel slide. This movement is simple, but the details matter. Stay lying on your back with both legs resting on the mattress. Keep your body relaxed, let your shoulders drop, keep your head comfortable, and breathe normally. Start with both legs straight. Choose one leg to begin. Keep the toes pointing up toward the ceiling, and keep the heel of that foot touching the bed. Now slowly slide that heel toward your hips. Think of your heel gently dragging along the mattress. Do not lift your foot. Do not rush. As the heel moves closer to your body, allow your knee to bend naturally. Stop when you feel a comfortable stretch or when the knee does not want to bend farther. Do not force it. Do not pull it with your hands. Do not twist the knee inward or outward. Hold that position for 1 second. Now slowly slide the heel away from your body. Let the knee straighten as the foot moves back down the bed. Keep the heel touching the mattress until the leg is straight again. That is 1 repetition. Do this 10 times on the same leg. Each time, slide in slowly, pause, then slide back out slowly. Keep the movement smooth, quiet, and controlled. After 10 repetitions, relax that leg completely. Then switch to the other leg and do the same thing for 10 repetitions. If your knee feels tight this morning, make the slide shorter. If your foot sticks to the sheet, slow down and relax the ankle. The goal is not to bend deeper. The goal is to wake up the knee gently before you stand. Our third exercise is called the straight leg raise. This is one of the most important movements in today's routine because it helps prepare your knees for those first steps after you get out of bed. Take your time with this one. Slow, controlled movement is much more important than lifting your leg high. Stay lying comfortably on your back. Bend one knee until that foot is resting flat on the mattress. Keep your other leg completely straight. Let your toes point naturally toward the ceiling. Relax your shoulders, rest your head comfortably on the pillow, and continue breathing normally. Before you lift your leg, gently tighten the muscles on the front of your straight thigh. This helps keep your knee fully straight throughout the exercise. Try not to let the knee bend as you move. Now slowly lift your straight leg about 10 to 15 centimeters off the bed. Lift only a small distance. There is no need to raise it any higher. The movement should feel smooth and steady, not fast or jerky. Imagine your leg moving as one solid piece from your hip all the way to your foot. When your heel is about 10 to 15 centimeters above the mattress, stop there and hold that position for 2 seconds. Keep breathing normally. keep your knees straight. Try not to rock your hips or arch your lower back. Your body should stay relaxed while only the working leg moves. Now slowly lower your leg back to the mattress. Do not let gravity do the work. Lower it with control until your heel gently touches the bed again. Pause for a moment before beginning the next repetition. That is 1 repetition. Continue performing the exercise for 8 to 10 repetitions on the same leg. Move at the same slow pace every time. Lift gently, hold for 2 seconds, then lower with complete control. Every repetition should look almost identical to the one before it. Once you finish 8 to 10 repetitions, let that leg relax completely. Then switch to the other leg. Bend the opposite knee for support, keep the working leg straight, and repeat the same sequence for another 8 to 10 repetitions. As you perform this exercise, remember the 3 most important points. Keep your knees straight from start to finish. Lift only a small distance off the bed. Lower your legs slowly and with complete control every single time. These simple details make the exercise safer and much more effective. To help you build this into a healthy morning habit, I have a 7-day morning challenge for you. For the next 7 mornings, complete all 3 exercises before your feet touch the floor. Begin with the quad set and perform 1 set of 10 repetitions on each leg, holding each contraction for 5 seconds. Next, perform 1 set of 10 heel slides on each leg, moving slowly and smoothly through every repetition. Finish with 1 set of 8 to 10 straight leg raises on each leg, holding the leg up for 2 seconds before lowering it with control. Rest for about 15 to 20 seconds between exercises if you need to. The entire routine takes only about 5 minutes to complete, making it easy to fit into your morning before you get out of bed. If you are joining me for this 7-day morning challenge, comment "Good morning" right now. Then tell us your age and where you're watching from. I would love to know who is taking on this challenge, and your comment may encourage someone else to start alongside you. Stay consistent for all 7 days. You do not need to move faster or do more repetitions each morning. Simply complete the routine with slow, controlled movements and focus on good form. Small efforts repeated every day often lead to meaningful improvements over time. Give your knees those few extra minutes each morning and let your body gradually become stronger, steadier, and more prepared for every step you take throughout the day. Comment "Good morning" again. Tell us your age and where you're watching from if you have not already. I truly enjoy reading your comments, and they remind people all across the country that they are not alone on this journey. If today's routine helped you, please subscribe to Senior BeWell and turn on notifications so you never miss our next simple exercise routine. Every new video is designed to help you stay active, move with greater comfort, build confidence, and maintain your independence 1 day at a time. Thank you for spending part of your morning with me. Take care of yourself, keep moving, stay consistent with your 7-day morning challenge, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Senior BeWell video.